Welcome back to my channel, everyone, and today we'll be making some cherry berry juice. Oh, so delicious! I picked some berries and cherries from my farm, and I said, yo, this would make some delicious and refreshing juice. So please stick around to see how we do this. So I had some fresh cherries and berries that I picked, and I froze them before making them into a juice that they wouldn't spoil. I'm just gonna throw these in a blender, add some water. And blend. So easy. I can't wait to taste this. Just look at that. I blend until it's really smooth, and then I'm going to use a big strainer and just strain out everything right now. You see all of that pulp? Yes, that's all of the cherry seeds and stuff. Alright, so I pour this back into the blender, and then I'm going to use a finer strainer now. I could have used the finer strainer at first, but this would take so long. So I love to use a big strainer and then a finer strainer afterwards that I move faster. Nobody got time to be sitting down for hours straining cherry juice. Alright, so you can see that we still got some pulp out. Yes, and getting this out means our cherry juice is going to be smooth. I add some lemon juice, because you know lemon juice just citrus it up. Add some sugar, sweeten as you like. Add some more water, guys, and we're done. We're gonna mix out this sugar, ensure that it's mixed out properly, and give it a taste. You know what I mean? Yes, and if it's good, put it in the refrigerator to chill and pour over some ice, and baby, that is it. Enjoy yourself. Thanks for watching, and stick around for the other videos.